How to clear Facebook activity log all at once. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To clear the Facebook activity log all at once, go ahead and launch your Facebook app first and foremost. Make sure to log in into your account. From there, tap on the three horizontal line at the top. From here, select on your profile. Right over here, you will see the three dot icon next to Edit Profile. Click on it. Then, select on Activity Log. Over here, you will see this option of Activity History. Click on it. Now over here, you will find all of your activity history. Now to clear it, what you need to do is basically tap on the three dot and select on the Delete button. Just click on the three dot and tap on Delete. Then again tap on Delete for confirmation. As you can see, we didn't find any of the multiple selection option right here. This is because Facebook does not have the clearing of activity log all at once. So yes, you will have to do it manually. However, we hope that Facebook comes up with a new update sooner or later. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.